Hi everyone! It's me, Doc Sam from the Queen's Clinic.
Ace from the Queen's Clinic.
Okay, so I'm an OBGYN and Doc Ace is a pediatrician. Now, ang dami namin kasing cases ngayon na ang mga babies daw, late na silang nagsasalita or meron tayong tinatawag na speech delay. Okay, so Doc Ace, bakit ba mayroong mga speech delay? Ano po ba yung usual cause nun?
Yes, so actually, speech delays encompasses not only yung mga bata na hindi nagsasalita, pero mga bata rin na nagsasalita pero has hard time articulating, hard time getting response, no? And hindi lang ibig sabihin ng speech delay is yung hindi sila nakakapagsalita, no? Kundi dapat may level of developmental milestone na naabot nila per age.
Okay. So, Dok, ilang months po ba unang dapat na may sinasabi or may na-verbalize ang isang baby?
Okay, so roughly, ang pinaka-important talaga is by 1 year old. Talang 1 year old, dapat meron na silang mga basic na words like mama, which has already a sense na mama is sa nanay niya. Or kunwari, like dede, milk, yun yung mapapansin natin. And dapat, hindi lang natin tinitingnan yung language and dapat nakikita mo rin kung meron silang interaction. Like, kunwari, utusan mo lang like simple orders, like kunin mo yon or get that, and dapat nasusunod nila. So, that also tells us na okay ang pag-receive nila ng orders. Yun.
Tsaka di ba, Doc Ace, dapat pag tinawag mo sila, kunyari, hello baby Ace, dapat nare-recognize nila yung name nila or lumilingon dapat sila.
Yes.
Diba? And then, Doc, diba, very important din, dapat may eye contact yung baby. At ilang months ba dapat nag-e-expect kami na may eye contact na si baby with us?
Okay, so by 3 to 4 months, medyo nakakakita na rin kasi sila niyan. So by sounds na nakaka-react na sila. And lalo na yung may mga pictures, toys kang pinapakita, nagre-react na sila dyan. Pero by name, earliest as 6 months, no, to 9 months, dapat dyan na natin nakikita. Very vital na nakikita na pag tinawag mo sila, is nagre-respond na sila sa name nila.
Okay. Dok, okay lang ba na ini-screen time natin yung mga baby?
Yeah,
actually, kasi minsan ang dami nilang tantrums, tapos sige, para mapacify or para quiet or behave na si baby, bibigyan ko na lang ng cellphone, tapos ipi-play ko yung YouTube. Okay lang ba yun?
Actually, that is one of the most common cause rin ng speech delay. So, kailangan iwasan natin yan, mga mommies and daddies. Siyempre, we lived in a fast-paced world na wherein technology, nandyan na yan eh. Pero as much as possible na madidelay natin sila upon exposure sa mga ganyan, mas maganda. Pero if ever man na bibigyan natin sila ng screen time, make sure na hindi sila hours nanonood. Hindi naman tayo perfect, no? So, minsan 10 to 15 minutes para lang ma-distract sila. Okay na yon. Pero, very important kasi may studies na kapag mas nanonood sila, longer hours doon, nakakaroon sila ng mga developmental delays. Not only in speech, also in developmental like cognitive, fine motor, even emotional and social interactions, nagde-decrease yun. And they tend to get addicted doon. So, we must control the screen time of kids, no, lalo na sa ganyang age.
Okay. So, Doc, kailangan mag-seek consult sa pedia or sa developmental pedia kapag napapansin natin na may speech delay na si baby. Pag hindi tumitingin or lumilingon, pag tinatawag natin yung name nila. And kapag siguro unreasonable yung tantrums nila. And pag hindi pa nakakapagsalita. No?
So, very important yun na if may mga unusual kayo, syempre as parents, mommies and daddies, hindi nyo naman alam talaga kung pagtitignan nyo talaga ang kids ninyo, di ba? Pero anything unusual like tantrums, nagkakaroon sila ng makikita mo na decrease yung words na nagsasabi nila, nakikita mo na pag inuutusan mo sila, they don't react, no? Very important rin kasi when it comes yung may mga bilingual language sa bahay. Like, kunwari, ang lola kinakausap ng Bisaya, yung tatay naman, Tagalog. And then, yung pinapanood niya is English. So, may kita mo na ano man susundin nung bata. So, it takes longer no, para sa bata to learn languages, to navigate within that 3 languages sa ganun kaagang age. So, if ever ganun, mas maganda, kakausapin nyo kung Tagalog, Tagalog lang, or English. No, when it comes sa batang ganyan.
Okay. Okay, Doc. Thank you.
Thank you.
Again, guys, if you have concerns sa pediatrician natin or for your kids out there, the Queen's Clinic is here to help you. We have several branches, Quezon City, Bulacan, Manila, Caloocan.
Caloocan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.